A survey released today says many parents are not likely to rush to get kids vaccinated, even when one is available. Medical reporter Liz Bonus shares why that's a potential problem for everyone, even as new teen trials are in the works.
Hey there, as we continue the path forward with vaccinations, other trials now in the works for teenagers and younger children. Sterling Research Group in our area says without getting teens and maybe those even younger vaccinated, it's going to be tough to reach herd immunity. About 80% of the population needs to be vaccinated to stop the spread of the coronavirus. So Donna Percy says
and 25% of our population is children under 18. So if you leave that whole quarter of your population unvaccinated, you're never going to get to herd immunity.
So her team here at this Sterling Research Group in Ohio, now one of the first in the nation, expanding the Novavax vaccine trial to adolescents ages 12 to 17.
They're used to getting vaccines. It's sort of part of their life. What they're not used to probably is blood tests, and that is something that's always probably the major concern for parents and children, but we make it as easy and painless as possible.
Unlike Pfizer and Moderna, the Novavax vaccine is not an mRNA vaccine and not yet approved for emergency use in the U.S. It is rather a protein-based vaccine that teaches your immune system to make antibodies against the spike protein. The hope is that expanding trials on more than one type of vaccine for adolescents and children will give parents options. A new Kaiser Family Foundation survey on vaccines just released shows roughly 3 in 10 parents of children under age 18 said they would get their child vaccinated right away when a COVID-19 vaccine is available. But nearly a third said they would wait a while to see how the vaccine is working. 15% said they would get their child vaccinated only if their school required it. Another 19% said they definitely won't get their child vaccinated. It's one of the reasons in the Novavax trial.
The study is also 2 years, just like the adult study, because we're going to follow them for 2 years to see how long immunity lasts.
Without a vaccine for young children and teens, the head of the CDC says masks are still recommended when kids get together for activities such as summer camp.
What we're really trying to avoid in this camp guidance is what we saw in outbreaks and camps last summer.
Now, once again, this Novavax vaccine trial looking for teens ages 12 to 17. They want to enroll at least 40 participants in our area. They need a total of 3,000 in the U.S. It's about 10 to 12 visits over 2 years, and you are paid for your time and travel. We also have a phone number for you as well. It is 513-621-5112. 513-621-5112. Again, they will allow you to come in, ask your questions, and they will follow those children out now for a couple of years. It is expected the coronavirus vaccine will be one of the future school vaccines for kids unless we're able to completely wipe out this virus. I'm medical reporter Liz Bonus. We'll throw it back to you.